Okay, paw. Paw. Aspen, paw. Good job. Other paw.
Yeah, he did.
Good morning! Today is very exciting kasi pupunta kami sa Alpaca Private Tour sa Bray Ridge Farm. I've been wanting to do this for so long and I can't believe it's happening. So stick around kasi marami pang pwedeng mangyari. The reason why na ito yung pinili kong activity for today's vlog is because na-hype siya sa social media. Previous years pa, may nakikita na talaga akong mga content creators na pumupunta dun sa farm para ma-experience yung pagpapakain ng alpaca. Doon ako na-encourage na matry din. Ako kasi mahilig ako sa cute na animals tsaka pet. So nakakagigil. Parang gusto ko lang silang mahawakan, ma-experience, makadel. Cuddle!
Here you go. If you want, you can put some in one hand and then some in the other hand. Standing next to you, this is Daphne. Daphne is the queen, or the head of the herd. So her job is to protect all the alpacas. This is Acacia. Acacia is my biggest alpaca, weighing 200 pounds. She is my friendliest alpaca. So she may put her face right in your face, don't worry. She won't bite or anything. She is the perfect alpaca to touch, and the best place to touch her is kind of lower neck across her shoulder.
Okay.
She's super, super friendly.
It's so ticklish. That's so cute. Here you go. Kakakilite. Aren't you guys full already? You've been eating. Hi, Azalea. Nice to meet you. I'm your visitor today.
That's so good. You must have really nice energy because she usually gets up.
Oh, really?
So you must have really nice energy for her to stay.
Aww. Can I touch her? Yeah? Pero parang kain lang sila ng kain. Kung ako yung papipiliin kung ano yung spirit animal ko, ito yun. Wow, alpaca girl. Bukod sa kain sila ng kain everyday, ang ganda ng lashes nila, guys. Nandito tayo sa kabilang side ng farm nila. Ito yung mga lalaki. Kinikip nilang separate yung lalaki tsaka babae kasi nga baka the next day nabuntis na ng isa. So, kailangan separate. Ay! Kita niyo yun? Nag-roll over siya. Ba't ka nag-roll over?
This is Cypress. Cypress is 3 years old. Cypress is Acacia's brother, and he is the perfect one to touch, and he's very, very handsome. When I talk to them in that mom voice, they know, okay, I have to behave.
Oh. Guys, okay ba kayo dyan? Kain kayo ng kain. Say hi to the camera. Hoy! Sobrang daming names na nabanggit sa akin ni Penny. Hindi ko na alam kung sino. Pero ito naalala ko, si Birch. Hi, Birch! Birch, say hi! To our Filipino TV viewers, hello! Oh, tignan mo! Are you okay? Gusto ko silang i-belly rub. Alam mo yung parang dog. Ginaganon-ganon. Okay, good girl. Ang kamag-anak pala ng mga alpacas is mga lama. Pero ang difference is, yung lama, mas mahaba yung face nila, tsaka mas malaki kaysa sa mga alpacas. Alpaca, mas short yung itsura nila, very smooth, tsaka mas maliit. Pero yung parang tindig nila, camel. Galing sila sa camelid family. So, related silang lahat. So, nakakatawa. Hi, ladies!
hand feed them, you're going to notice there's not very much saliva on your hand at all.
Oh.
So alpacas have 3 stomachs, and most of their saliva is in their first stomach.
Hindi naman nakatingin yung isa dun na nasa door. Parang ginajudge ako. Can he feel my hands?
Not really,
Nope.
it's so thick. Oh, there he did just now.
Hello! Overall, yung experience ko, nakakatuwa. Hindi ako na-disappoint. Sobrang daming information na binigay sa amin ni Penny. Thank you, Penny, so much for accommodating us today. Yun, kung interested kayo, punta kayo sa website nila. Mag-book kayo ng specific day and time. And then, you guys can pay through online. Kung pupunta kayo dito, kailangan i-ready nyo na yung ticket or kung anumang email na confirm na. So, very accommodating sila dito. It's all about nature talaga. Reconnecting with the nature, with the animals. Nakakatuwa. Sana nag-enjoy kayo for today's vlog. See you again next time.